Good morning, friends. So, in today's class, we are going to see how you can create an invoice in Zoho Books. So, firstly, for creating invoice, you have to go to Sales module and directly Invoices. So, let's just create invoice by clicking here, New option. Here, you can add the customer name from the list that is available जो आपने कस्टमर की इंपोर्ट की थी. So, let's just take the example of Ram. Once you import, you will be able to see all the addresses and everything that is associated with this person. तो place of supply है, location you can describe whether the same is associated with head office or फिर any branch. Location wise you can enable this thing. Invoice date, invoice number is automatically generated from Zoho, but if you want to change the series or any prefix associated आप वो यहाँ पर change कर सकते हैं. Then there is invoice date. So let's just take today's date. So the invoice is generated on 3rd/8. You can also mention the due date from which till which date this invoice will be valid. So you can mention the due date. If you have any salesperson associated with this sales invoice, then you can mention the salesperson details here. This will help you to track the profitability of the salesperson at the end. If you want to add any subject, you can add it here. Sorry. Then let's just mention it, the item details. So I will mention here it as AMC subscription. You have to compulsory mention the code. So just taking a random number. यहाँ पर you can mention the quantity. Say I have 10 AMC contract for 10 what we can say 10 locations. So you can enable this one under here. आपने ये किया, once you will be able to see that tax is automatically calculated here. So this is the tax rate. So we have default selected at 18%. If you want to change, you can change it here. It will total take the amount. Also, you can add the items in bulk. Suppose that you have n number of items list and you don't want to enter it manually. So what you can do, you can import the items from here in the this option, that is add items in bulk. Then there is an option called discount. So you can mention the discount percentage or the total rupees discount here directly so that that discount will get adjusted. Again, IGST is calculated as 90,000. If you have any TDS associated with this sales, suppose that the customer will firstly deduct the TDS and then pay me the amount, then you can mention the TDS rate here. So let's just take the example of 2% TDS. Okay, so here my 10,000 rupees will get deducted and my invoice amount will be 5,80,000 including GST. Here you can enter customer notes, terms and condition, the whatever payment terms or bank details that you want to add in the invoice module, you can add it here. If you have to attach any file, you can attach the file here directly. It can be a small scan document, yeah, kuch bhi, whether anything that you want to attach, you can attach it here. Then you can also mention whether you have received the amount. Suppose that you have received somewhere amount the advance, तो आप यहाँ पर ये टिक कर सकते हैं. Then the main feature is that you can email directly your invoice to the customer from this module itself. तो क्या करेंगे, your email ID is mentioned here. You have to just check this and you will be able to send the invoice directly to the customer on mail. So I will click on Save as Draft. So once the invoice is generated, it will be stored as Save as Draft. तो जैसे ही आपने सेव एज ड्राफ्ट किया, यू विल बी एबल टू सी हियर द ड्राफ्ट फॉर्मेट अवेलेबल. यहाँ पर टैग आ गया है ड्राफ्ट. नाउ व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन सी इट कि जब तक ड्राफ्ट फॉर्मेट में है तब तक इट इज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट. You have to compulsory take it and record it say I will record the same, mark as sent. So once you make it mark as sent, invoice is generated and now it is recorded in books of account. तो जैसे आप जेवी चेक करोगे नीचे जाके यू विल बी एबल टू सी कि ये इनवॉइस की क्या जेवी पास हुई. So here you can see the JV passed is accounts receivable of 5,80,000 जिसमें से GST है 90 का, TDS है 10 का और 5 lakh rupees is the sales amount. So this way you can check and create an invoice directly from Zoho Books and already mail the same to the particular customer's mail ID. Okay, so yeah, so let's see you in the next topic.